Hi guys, in this video let's play Netflix series, without premium. Link in the description, so you can download Netflix application by clicking on it. After downloading, install it on your mobile. Now let's use UFO VPN to watch Netflix series, without buffering. Link in the description, so you can download UFO VPN application by clicking on it. This application is premium. You can get ultimate internet speed by connecting to server. Now VPN is connected, let's play a series. Here I choose Money Heist series to watch it on. Installed Netflix application. Now I got 19 links to watch it in different video qualities, on this Netflix application.
That was me. Well, almost dead. Mom? Rio. He's my weakness. He's the Mozart of computers.